Hey YouTube, what's up? Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing on a new outdoor floodlight that I picked up directly off of Amazon. The light is made by a company called SkyGenius, and just a couple things about it. I'm going to start unboxing it and talking a little bit about some of the specs on this light. It's a 30 watt outdoor LED floodlight. It is supposed to be rated to 2,200 lumens. And it's going to be a cool light coloring once it's illuminated. If you use it outside for like landscape lightings or gardens or driveways, backyards, patios, that sort of thing. I don't know if I'm going to use it for that. I mean, that's I think what it's initially intended for is for more of like an accent light for outside or security light possibly for outdoor use. With me, I'm really looking to use it. Basically, it's just an area floodlight. But anyway, I'll just kind of show what it looks like. It is supposed to be made out of a heat conduction light box, material. I believe the actual material is aluminum. The body of it is made out of aluminum, which is kind of surprising. It has more weight than I thought it would for being aluminum. It's actually a little bit heavier than I thought, but it's not very thick. It doesn't, obviously take up a lot of space, and it's not heavy just because of the thickness that it has. But I'll show you kind of the idea is, you've got a mounting plate on the back side of it, and I'll just show also real quick the tag on it so you can see the specs, if I can get that to focus in here. But you can tell it comes with a nice sturdy, this definitely does not feel like aluminum. This feels like metal, this mounting plate. But I guess the idea is you've got a sturdy mounting plate, and then you've got an aluminum frame body, and then the glass that's on it is tempered glass. It's a tempered glass panel, so should be very durable, against any kind of abuse or weather, hailstorms, anything that could happen, debris that could hit this thing. It should be nice and durable when it's outside. But basically, mounted outdoors. You've got your power cord. There's not an on and off switch that I can see. That's my only concern with this thing, is I was hoping it would have one, but I guess the idea is you would just plug it in and then have it, maybe you could maybe wire it to a switch where you can just control it on and off with a regular electrical switch. But anyway, you can see the LED panel on the inside. Should put off a lot of light, hopefully, but at least this kind of shows you the overall size of it. Pretty much fits into the palm of my hand, and then also the thickness of it with the plate, and then also with the actual light. I'm gonna go get it set up in the garage. We'll see how much light it can throw. All right, we're gonna get this thing plugged into a outlet outside, and we'll see how bright it is and see what kind of light it throws. All right, so hopefully you can tell. Here's the light shining up against the fins. You can kind of make out about how many fence pickets it'll illuminate. But you can tell it throws, a good probably 30, 40 feet, if not further. When you factor in how thin that light is and how small that area is that's illuminating, it's pretty bright. It's perfect for again, accent lighting or security lighting or any kind of landscape lighting. Anyway, hope this gives you a good idea of just what this light's capable of. If there's any other questions you have about it or anything that I could try and answer for you that maybe this video didn't answer, just feel free to ask, and I'll do my best to help answer it for you. Thanks for watching. Take care.